Welcome back, students. Now, today we are going to discuss food intolerance. Food intolerance. Food intolerance means food particles of a particular food which our body cannot digest or feel problem to digest. That is food intolerance. After few times, food intolerance become food allergy also, maybe. So food intolerance is our body or our digestive system cannot digest a food particle of a particular food. Not a particular food, it's a food particle of a particular food. And the cause of food intolerance is, it seems our digestive system, what I told that our digestive system or our body enzymes cannot digest the food particles of a particular food. That's why they feel problems to digest. That's called food intolerance. And symptoms of food intolerance is, the symptoms are feeling vomiting, headache, stomach pain, and diarrhea, cramps, gas, etc. are the symptoms of food intolerance. Now, next we are going to discuss food myths. Food myths. Myth, it means fact. Food myths means about food, what I told, what I hear or what we hear in outside. A normal fact. That is, for an example, sometimes some people says that don't drink water during taking meals. This is a food myth. That means in outside what we listen from the others, that is food myths. Some food myths about food are, for the example, like this: don't take water during meal. But we already know that for the carbohydrate we don't require any water to digest, because carbohydrate products, they in their combination they have already water for the digestion. But if we take fat or protein, we must need water for the digestion. If we don't take water, we have or we feel problem to digest that type of food. So we must take water, but little bit of water for our digestion of protein or fat nutrients. The next food myth is, do not take milk while you are taking fish or meat. But it is true that milk, fish, meat, they fulfill our daily requirement of calories. So if we skip any of them, we do not fulfill our daily needs calorie. So it is wrong that if we take fish or milk, we don't take milk. We have to take milk with fish, meat but which we require, the amount is as per our requirement. Okay. Next, potato makes our body fat, but in potato we through potato we take so much calorie or carbohydrates. So if we skip potato, then we cannot fulfill our daily needs or daily requirement of our body. So it is also wrong that potato makes our body fat. Next, egg caused heart disease. Through egg we fulfill our various types of nutrients like vitamin A, B, D, zinc, iron, calcium, protein, etc. So if we skip egg, we cannot fulfill that type of nutrient in our body. So we have to take egg once in a day for fulfill our that type of nutrients. Next, eat less if you have fever. It is a wrong idea. Eat less if you are in fever. Whenever you are in fever, that means your body become weak. That time you need more calories to fulfill your daily requirement and survive in fever. Or that time we require our body cells more enzymes to fight against fever. So it is very wrong idea that don't take less amount of milk while you are in fever. So these are the food myths which we have already discussed. So till then, goodbye. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.